All right, so you've gotten to the IMSLP website here, and you're trying to get some nice public domain music for your group. So let's scroll down here, and we find that we have chamber instrumental show. So actually, I think I've put that link already for you, and you're going to see this list that pops up. And again, you're looking for 2, 3, or 4 players. So you can see right here, this is all, most of it should be music you can print out for free, no copyright infringement. So you're looking in this section. So let's say I just pop on this for now. It's going to take you a while to find something just because there's a lot of stuff that you could print out. But I just want you to see how to do it here. So we come down and you see it's alphabetical. You can start looking if you have a piece in mind, but there are literally thousands of pieces. So it'll take you a little while to look, but let's say you find something and you're good to go. I'm just going to pick this one here, G for 4 trumpets. Okay, I'm going to pick that one there. And then I got to scroll down a little bit more. There's lots of scrolling down all the time. And what you want to do is, if this is the piece that you're looking for, or you just want to look at it for a bit, of course you can just view, which is here, right? And I just click on that, and it's going to show me what it looks like. And that's a good idea, just to kind of see what's going on and how long it is, and tempo, and just the pieces. Does it look hard or not? Playable. So I look at that. If you decide, yep, this is the one we're going to do together, and then you want to print it out, again, it's up to you. You don't have to print it out. You can just do it like this. But if you're going to print it out, my suggestion is you come over here, um, and then you, okay, this one doesn't have it. And there should be a button here that shows you what to do. So this one looks like it might not. Copyright notice. Look at that. This file is protected under copyright law. So you can't print that one out. But you can still practice it and play it like this. As you notice, if it's not too long a piece, you can just look at it. Okay. Let me go back and see if I can find a piece. So I'm going to go all the way to just go to the back button here, back arrow. Okay. And I'm going to see if I can pick another piece that hopefully it does have printable options. So I'm just pick on any random piece here. Okay. Score and parts, 3 of them. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and take a, let's say I looked at it and I liked it. So I'm going to go to this button over here. That's what I'm looking for. Download 3 files. Don't pick extract parts. That takes you to a different website. You can keep the file, but download 3 files as zip drive is what you want. So I click on that. And now you can see down here, it's downloading my files for me. And then once I've done that, on the left bottom here, then if I just open file, and now you see it actually has them in PDF. I can open that up if I want. Parts, let's check it out. Oh, okay, it doesn't show me anything very good. Single parts. Okay, those look like they're all still websites. So I'm going to go back a second here. There we go. Back again. I know these are PDF, so let me just check those out. Boom. Oh, look at that. And there it is. Okay, all the parts are there. And now I can print them out. There's a little print icon right up here to do that, or I can just right click and it should show me print option. And then I print them out. And there you go. So that should give you enough information to get things going. Good luck. Take some time searching. There's a lot of stuff there. Don't go down the rabbit hole. Just find something nice and easy to get started with, and have a good time with it. All right.